In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upgrade a hosting plan step by step. If your website is growing, getting more visitors, or you simply need more resources like storage, bandwidth, or performance, upgrading your hosting plan is one of the easiest ways to keep your site running smoothly. The good news is that Hostinger makes this process very simple, and you can upgrade your hosting plan directly from your dashboard in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can follow along even if you're a complete beginner. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then click on the login button and sign in using the email address and password connected to your Hostinger account. Once you log in, you will land on the Hostinger hPanel dashboard. This is where you can manage your websites, domains, hosting plans, emails, and billing information all in one place. If you have multiple services with Hostinger, don't worry, everything is organized clearly in this dashboard so you can easily find what you need. Now that you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. From this menu, find and click on the option called Billing. The Billing section is where Hostinger stores all your payment information, invoices, subscriptions, and active hosting services all in one place. After clicking Billing, you'll see several options appear. The one we need for upgrading your hosting plan is called Subscriptions. Go ahead and click on Subscriptions to open the list of all the active plans connected to your account. Inside the Subscriptions page, you'll see your hosting plans listed along with their details such as the plan type, expiration date, and status. Locate the hosting plan that you want to upgrade. On the right side of that hosting plan, you will see a small arrow icon. Click on that arrow to open more options related to that specific hosting subscription. This will reveal additional actions that you can take with that plan. As soon as you click the arrow, a panel or pop-up window will appear on the right side of your screen. In this panel, Hostinger will show you options related to managing or improving your hosting service. One of the options you will see is a message that says something like, "Need more resources? Upgrade to a higher plan." This is the option we're looking for because it allows you to move your current hosting plan to a more powerful one with additional resources. Next, click on the button that says Upgrade to a higher plan. Hostinger will now show you the available upgrade options. Depending on your current plan, you may see options like moving from a basic shared hosting plan to a premium or business hosting plan. These upgraded plans usually offer more storage, better performance, improved speed, and additional features that help your website handle more traffic. After selecting the plan you want to upgrade to, Hostinger will ask you to choose the subscription length. This could be monthly, yearly, or sometimes longer plans that come with better discounts. Choose the subscription period that works best for you. Then select your preferred payment method. Hostinger supports several payment options depending on your region, such as credit cards, PayPal, and other online payment systems. Once everything looks correct, simply complete the payment to finalize your hosting upgrade. After the payment is processed, Hostinger will automatically upgrade your hosting plan and apply the new resources to your account. Your websites will continue running normally, but now they will benefit from the additional performance and limits provided by the upgraded plan. And that's it. That's exactly how to upgrade a Hostinger hosting plan step by step. As your website grows, upgrading your hosting is one of the best ways to ensure fast performance and a smooth experience for your visitors. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials on websites, hosting, and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.